Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to close apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to access your App Manager. From the bottom of your screen, swipe upwards, but don't swipe all the way to the top. Instead, swipe just until you reach about the center of the screen and then pause. This gesture will open up your App Manager, where you'll be able to see all of your currently running applications displayed as cards. Now, once you're in the App Manager, you'll notice that you actually have two different options for closing apps depending on your preference. Both methods work equally well, so you can choose whichever feels more natural to you. The first method is the quickest and most straightforward. Simply find the app you want to close from the cards displayed in your App Manager. Then place your finger on that app card and swipe it upwards toward the top of your screen. As you swipe up, the app will slide off the screen and close completely. This immediately removes the app from your active memory and frees up resources on your device. The second method gives you a bit more control and involves using a drop-down menu. If you look at the top of each app card in your App Manager, you'll notice a small drop-down icon or button. Go ahead and tap on that drop-down for the app you want to close. This will reveal a small menu with additional options for managing that specific application. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Clear. Simply tap on Clear, and this will close the app just like the swipe method did. This approach can be helpful if you prefer tapping rather than swiping, or if you want to access other app management options at the same time. And that's it. You've now learned both ways to close apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving you the flexibility to manage your running applications however you prefer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.